Hello, everybody. This is Kimchi Crypto. I am going to talk about a specific nasdaq listed company which bought this crypto and their stock price soared. Let's begin. First, there's a lots of bad news going around. Cardano's ADA leads major slide amid Bitcoin profit taking. Pro shares immense XRP ETF. However, major cryptocurrency prices has fallen. Ups and downs all the time, going sideways. Drifts were still goes on, and not that exciting time moment, if you ask me. However, gold price soars, tech futures tumble as US hits China with a lot more double, triple, higher drifts right now. Tech stock futures fell as the US imposed drifts of up to 245% on Chinese imports, while gold hit a record high and Nvidia plunged on export control fallout. China goes tit for tat and says, whatever, to Mr. Trump. By the way, I have decided to sell my gold ring this week to buy more Bitcoin. Anyway, Bitcoin nears capitulation as short-term holders face deep losses. Short-term hodler NVRV at 0.82 suggests short-term hodlers are sitting on average unrealized losses of 18%, near historical bottoming zones. Long-term hodlers have accumulated approximately 500 Bitcoin since February, absorbing more supply than short-term hodlers have distributed. Janover is the name of this company. Janover takes page from Sailor Playbook, doubling Solana stack to $20 million as stock price soars 1,700%. Former Kraken executives led by Joseph Onorati overtook the real estate-focused fintech company, aiming to become the first US-listed firm with treasury strategy centered on Solana. This is the price chart of Janover, nasdaq-listed company. Ever since the early of this year, the stock price has been just going sideways. But as soon as Janover announced treasury strategy centered on Solana in early April, it went bananas, went up more than 1,700%. Just imagine, sometimes in the crypto investment, you need imagination. Just imagine what will take place once Solana Spot ETF is approved. There must be tons of other players, whether Nasdaq listed or not, who will do the same thing. After going after Michael Saylor, going after Janover. China's local governments sell seized crypto to refill public coffers despite trading ban. Chinese local governments have been selling confiscated crypto assets amid a slowing economy. The country continues to ban crypto trading on the Chinese mainland. Ain't this all bad news? But I'm still bullish. Why? Handling crypto in legal cases has become a key topic in the country's judicial system, with authorities holding multiple seminars on the issue. For example, in February, the guys in the from the Supreme People's Court and several other authorities, they gathered in Beijing to discuss the legal treatment of cryptocurrency. Legal treatment of cryptocurrency? I have never heard of this similar type of word from China ever since 2014. This is fundamentally changed and something is going on behind the scene. In December, the People's Bank of China, the central bank, highlighted crypto regulation in its latest annual financial stability report, noting that it is working to improve an international regulatory framework for crypto assets. So here's the thing. Crypto ban will be lifted in China. I don't know the timing. Maybe as early as next year. It could take some months or even some years. However, uh, practically, currently speaking, China is testing it through Hong Kong, whether they can fully control it or not. They're very cautious. They need to control in order to, block those, all those, the money just flowing out of China. It's not possible to ban it anyway. It's just like internet. How can you prevent Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies? After US stacks more Bitcoin, China and others will follow. What do you think? Thank you for listening.